to come to the stage for the recitation of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون. فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون. وإذا رأوا تجارة أو لهوا انفضوا إليها وتركوك قائما. قل ما عند الله خير من اللهو ومن التجارة والله خير الرازقين. صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Now I will invite Dr. Visha Chaudhary for presentation of Naate Rasool Maqbool Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dr. Visha Chaudhary. جو تمہیں بھی میری طرح کبھی نہ سکون قلب نصیب ہو، میری بات مانو تو میں کہوں، میرے ساتھ سوئے حرم چلو، جو تمہیں بھی میری طرح کبھی تمہیں ہم سفر کی ہے جستجو، مجھے راہ پر کی تلاش ہے، تمہیں ہم سفر کی ہے جستجو، مجھے راہ پر کی تلاش ہے، چلو ایک ساتھ چلے چلیں، میرا ہاتھ ہاتھ میں تھام لو، میری بات مانو تو میں کہوں، میرے ساتھ سوئے حرم چلو، جو دوا بھی ہے جو شفا بھی ہے، جو شفیع روز جزا بھی ہے، جو دوا بھی ہے جو شفا بھی ہے، جو شفیع روز جزا بھی ہے، جنہیں جانے لطف و عطا کہو، جنہیں نے جو تو سخا کہو میری بات مانو تو میں کہوں میرے ساتھ سوئے حرم چلو وہی غمزتوں کے قتیل ہیں وہی عاصیوں کے وکیل ہیں وہی غمزدوں کے قتیل ہیں وہی عاصیوں کے وکیل ہیں وہی مغفرت کی سبیل ہیں بس انہی کا ذکر کیا کرو جو تمہیں بھی میری طرح کبھی نہ سکون قلب نصیب ہو میری بات مانو تو میں کہوں میرے ساتھ سوئے حرم چلو جو تمہیں بھی میری طرح کبھی. Now I invite Dr. Syed Amar Gilani. He is the chief organizer of this international conference. He is director of Afro-Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Lahore, Pakistan. I invite him to come to the stage and invite honorable guests to the stage. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all to the 5th International Ultrasound Conference, Lahore Ultrasound 2004. Let me invite my honorable guests, starting from my friend, one of the greatest ultrasonologists in the history of Pakistan, Dr. Durre Sabi, to come to the stage. Then I invite Professor P.K. Srivastav, who is from Lucknow, India, to come to the stage. Dr. Al-Raya Mustafa from Al-Zaim Al-Azhari University, please come to the stage. Professor Hadi Bagheri from Shiraz University, Iran. Professor Abdul Karim from Sana'a, Yemen. Dr. Zahid Pasha from Islamabad. Dr. Nirvikar Dahiya from India. Dr. Ijaz A. Malik from Dera Ismail Khan. Dr. Fazilul Zama from Abbottabad. We have many other guests, so I welcome them to this conference. Most of them are not here, but all these are male. I would like to have Mother of Nation, Dr. Yashodhara, to come and stand behind all these guys. There is a seat for you, don't have to stand. Thank you very much.
Now I will invite Dr. Riaz Hamdani, Administrator of Afro-Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Lahore, Pakistan, for his welcome address.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected guests, most of them I know personally now. Dr. Sabi, my old colleague and friend, Dr. Bakri and Dr. Mustafa. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me, and on behalf of myself, the Chief Organizer, Dr. Gilani, and all the members of the organizing committee, I welcome you all the delegates and all the participants on this 5th inauguration day of the 5th International Conference on Medical Ultrasonography. As you are aware that ultrasonography, it is a two-edged sword. On one side, if it is done and practiced by an ill-trained and non-qualified person, he can commit blunders, even costing the lives. For example, termination of otherwise normal pregnancies. And on the other hand, if a well-trained and qualified ultrasonist is at the back of the wheels, he can save lives and the expenditure of medical treatments. Just I would like to run quickly through the development of ultrasound as a whole. The man got the idea from the bats. His precision to send the sound waves and precisely receiving it back and recognizing different objects by the reflected frequencies, avoiding the non-edibles and selecting very particularly the things which she can eat. And this idea carried on, and man fancied and started the study of sounds. And main breakthrough came when in 1880 Dr. Pierre Curie and his brother Jacques Curie developed and studied the effects of certain piezoelectric effects of receiving and sending the waves. Later on, there were development on the further development of the various piezoelectric effects, and finally lead zirconate titanate was developed, and it gave a real impedance to the development of ultrasonography. Initially, ultrasonography was used industrially. In 1930s, the first metal flaw detector was invented, and they used it in visualizing the defects in the hulls of ships, battlefield tanks, and other armors. On the medical side, in early 30s and 40s, ultrasound was used for the medical purposes. But contrary to today, the first usage was on the treatment side. And it was cure for